welcome to TechVibes. I'm your host, and today we're setting up the ultimate streaming experience. Today we are diving into the ultimate 2026 streaming setup for your FireStick, NVIDIA Shield, or any Android TV device. This setup is designed to give you access to a massive library of movies, TV shows, and live sports. This setup avoids the usual headaches of apps that barely work, giving you a smooth and reliable streaming experience. We are focusing on high-quality, reliable applications that provide a premium experience for free. By the end of this guide, you will have a fully loaded device optimized for speed and security. To get started, we need a specific tool called Downloader. Move over to the magnifying glass on your home screen and search for Downloader. You only need to type the first few letters before it appears in the suggestions. Make sure you select the orange icon. This app acts as a gateway to install third-party applications that are not available in the official Amazon App Store. Once it is installed, do not open it just yet. We first need to adjust some internal settings to allow the device to communicate with these new apps. Press the home button and navigate to your settings menu. Look for the section labeled My Fire TV or My Device. If you do not see developer options listed, do not panic. Simply click on the About section and find the name of your specific device. Click the center button on your remote 7 times rapidly. A small notification will appear at the bottom of the screen telling you that you are now a developer. This is a crucial step because it unlocks the ability to customize your hardware beyond the factory restrictions. Now that you have unlocked these permissions, go back one screen and enter the newly visible developer options. The first thing you need to do is turn on ADB debugging. This allows for deeper communication between your apps and the operating system. Next, go to the section for installing unknown apps. You will see Downloader listed there. It will likely say off, so click it once to flip the switch to on. This tells your FireStick that you trust Downloader to bring in external files safely. With those technical hurdles cleared, return to your home screen and open the Downloader app. When you first launch it, you will see a red circle that acts as your mouse cursor. Move this cursor up to the URL search box until the box turns yellow. Click inside it to bring up the on-screen keyboard. You are going to enter a specific web address to find the next tool in our arsenal. Type in the URL very carefully to ensure there are no typos. If you need a moment, feel free to pause while you get the letters and numbers exactly right. Once finished, hit the next button. The page that loads will have a button that says Download APK Android. Use your remote to hover over that rectangle and click it. Downloader will grab the file and prompt you to install an application called Unlinked. This is a library management tool that allows you to access private app stores. Once the installation is finished, click Done instead of Open. This brings up a prompt to delete the installation file. It is a great habit to delete these files immediately to save storage space on your device. FireSticks have limited memory, and keeping these temporary files will eventually slow down your interface. Before we can use Unlinked, we have to go back to the settings one more time. Navigate to My Fire TV and enter developer options. Go to Install Unknown Apps and find Unlinked in the list. Just like we did with Downloader, turn this to On. This ensures that Unlinked has the permission to install the streaming apps we are about to find inside the library. Now head back to your home screen, scroll to the end of your apps list, and open Unlinked. When Unlinked opens, it will ask you to add a new library. This requires a specific store code. Today we are using a curated library known as the Fire Vault. This store contains over 50 different applications ranging from live pay-per-view events to the latest cinema releases. Enter the code carefully. Once you are inside, you will see a massive list of apps. They are categorized by type, making it easy to find exactly what you are looking for. The most important application in this entire setup is a VPN. In the Fire Vault, you will see NordVPN right at the top. You should never stream from third-party apps without a VPN. Many internet service providers monitor your traffic and will intentionally slow down your speeds if they see you are using high-bandwidth streaming services. This process is known as throttling. A VPN encrypts your data and hides your IP address, making your online activity anonymous. This often fixes issues with buffering and prevents apps from being blocked in certain regions. Click Download on IPVanish and then hit Install. Next, let's look at some entertainment options. For the sports fans at TechVibes, look for an app called AK-47 Sports. This is a powerhouse for live games and matches. Download and install it just like you did with the VPN. For movies and TV series, look for MobiFlick. This app has an incredible library that is updated constantly with new titles. Another excellent choice is Netflix. The interface on Netflix is very modern and looks similar to paid streaming services, making it very user-friendly. Go ahead and install both of these to give yourself a variety of sources. Once you have your favorite apps installed, you might notice they are buried at the bottom of your apps list. Scrolling all the way down every time is a hassle. Here is a pro tip to keep your setup clean. Go to your full apps list and find the apps we just installed. Hover over an app and hold down the center button on your remote. A menu will appear on the right side. Select the option Move to Front. Do this for IPVanish, AK-47 Sports, MobiFlick, and Netfly. Now every time you turn on your TV, your best streaming tools will be right there on the home screen ready to go. Before you start watching, we must activate the protection. Open the IPVanish app. If you do not have an account yet, you can sign up using a mobile device or computer. Once you are logged in, you will see a large green button that says Connect. Click it. A connection request might pop up on your FireStick. Click OK to allow it. You will know you are protected when the map on the screen highlights your connection and the status changes to Connected. You can also see a timer showing how long your session has been active. With the VPN running in the background, you are now free to explore the apps. You can jump into AK-47 Sports for the big game, or browse through thousands of hours of content on MobiFlick and Netfly. Because you have optimized your settings and secured your connection, you should experience smooth playback and high-definition quality. If you ever run into an issue where an app won't open or a video won't play, the first thing you should check is your VPN status. 9 times out of 10, a quick reconnect to a different server will solve the problem. Also, remember that the FireVault store is updated frequently. It is a good idea to check back into Unlinked every once in a while to see if there are new apps or updates available for your current ones. This keeps your 2026 setup running perfectly for the long haul. That is the complete walkthrough for the best streaming setup available right now. You have gone from a stock device to a fully customized entertainment hub. You have learned how to unlock developer mode, use downloader, manage private libraries with Unlinked, and protect your privacy with a VPN. Enjoy your new setup and thank you for watching TechVibes. If you ever run into an issue where an app won't open or a video won't play, the first thing you should check is your VPN status. 9 times out of 10, a quick reconnect to a different server will solve the problem. Also, remember that the FireVault store is updated frequently. It is a good idea to check back into Unlinked every once in a while to see if there are new apps or updates available for your current ones. This keeps your 2026 setup running perfectly for the long haul. That is the complete walkthrough for the best streaming setup available right now. You have gone from a stock device to a fully customized entertainment hub. You have learned how to unlock developer mode, use downloader, manage private libraries with Unlinked, and protect your privacy with a VPN. Enjoy your new setup and thank you for watching TechVibes. This keeps your 2026 setup running perfectly for the long haul. That is the complete walkthrough for the best streaming setup available right now. You have gone from a stock device to a fully customized entertainment hub. You have learned how to unlock developer mode, use downloader, manage private libraries with Unlinked, and protect your privacy with a VPN. Enjoy your new setup and thank you for watching TechVibes.